We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Funk music is a style of popular music that emerged in the late 1960s as an outgrowth of R&B, rhythm and blues. Funk features strong bass lines, or music lines played by low-pitched instruments, and has a heavy syncopated beat, meaning a beat with emphasis changed from strong beats to off beats and accents.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.